The sun beats down on the flooded plains of Southeast Asia, steam rises from the water's surface, a gentle breeze rustles through the tall grasses. Suddenly a massive head breaks the surface. This is the Asiatic water buffalo, a creature of immense strength and surprising grace. They are often called the living tractors of the East for their role in agriculture, but there is much more to these animals than meets the eye. Join me as we delve into the world of the Asiatic water buffalo. We will explore their unique characteristics, their vital role in their ecosystem, and the challenges they face in a changing world. The Asiatic water buffalo, also known as the Asian buffalo, or Arni, is a majestic beast. They are the second largest members of the bovid family. This places them in the company of other impressive creatures like the yak, bison, African buffalo, and wild cattle. Across Asia, they are known by many names, reflecting their importance in different cultures. Despite their size and strength, water buffalo are generally docile creatures. They are known for their calm demeanor and their strong social bonds. However, they are also fiercely protective of their young and will not hesitate to defend themselves if threatened. The Asiatic water buffalo is divided into two main subspecies, the river buffalo and the swamp buffalo. As their names suggest, each subspecies has adapted to thrive in a particular type of wetland environment. The river buffalo prefers the flowing waters and grassy floodplains of river systems. They are the more common subspecies and are found across the Indian subcontinent, the Balkans, Egypt, and even Italy. The swamp buffalo, on the other hand, is more at home in the still waters and dense vegetation of swamps and marshes. They are found primarily in Assam, Southeast Asia, and parts of China. While both subspecies share many similarities, there are also some key differences in their physical characteristics and behavior. The Asiatic water buffalo is an impressive sight. These majestic creatures are a symbol of strength and resilience in the wild. Found primarily in the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia, they thrive in a variety of habitats, from dense forests to open grasslands and marshes. Their adaptability is one of the key reasons for their survival in diverse environments. Wild water buffalo, known as Arni, can grow to be nearly 10 feet long and almost 6 feet tall at the shoulder. These dimensions make them one of the largest bovines in the world. Their sheer size is not just for show, it plays a crucial role in their ability to fend off predators and navigate through their often challenging habitats. Their massive bodies are covered in a sparse coat of dark gray or black hair. This sparse hair might seem insufficient, but it actually helps them stay cool in the hot and humid climates they often inhabit. The hair also provides some protection against insects and other small pests that are prevalent in their environments. Perhaps their most striking feature is their horns. These horns are not just for defense, they are also a status symbol within buffalo herds. The size and shape of the horns can indicate the age and health of the buffalo, making them an important aspect of their social structure. These horns are enormous, curving backwards in a graceful arc that can reach over 13 feet in length. Such impressive horns are not just for show, they are used in battles for dominance and in defense against predators. The curvature and length of the horns can vary significantly, adding to the unique appearance of each individual buffalo. Domesticated buffalo, while generally smaller than their wild counterparts, are still powerful animals. These domesticated versions have been bred for various purposes, including agriculture and transportation. Despite their smaller size, they retain much of the strength and resilience of their wild relatives, making them invaluable to the communities that rely on them. They can weigh anywhere from 1,000 to over 2,000 pounds. This significant weight is supported by their strong, sturdy legs, which allow them to carry heavy loads and plow through tough terrain. Their muscular build is a testament to their hardiness and ability to thrive in various conditions. Their coloration is similar to that of wild buffalo, but their horn size and shape can vary considerably among the 74 recognized breeds. Each breed has been developed to suit specific needs and environments, resulting in a fascinating diversity within the species. From the massive horns of the wild Arni to the more modestly sized horns of some domesticated breeds, the water buffalo's horns are a defining characteristic that showcases their adaptability and evolution. Section 5. Masters of the marsh habitat and social life. Water buffalo are perfectly adapted to their wetland homes. These majestic creatures thrive in environments that would be challenging for many other animals. Wetlands, swamps, and marshes provide the ideal habitat for water buffalo, offering them abundant food sources and the water they need to stay cool and hydrated. Their wide-splayed hooves prevent them from sinking in mud. This unique adaptation allows them to move effortlessly through the marshy terrain where other animals might struggle. The hooves act like natural snowshoes, distributing their weight evenly and providing stability on the soft, uneven ground. They are strong swimmers and can often be found submerged up to their nostrils in water. This ability to swim and stay submerged helps them escape from predators and also allows them to forage for aquatic plants, which are a crucial part of their diet. This serves two purposes. It helps them regulate their body temperature in hot climates, and it provides relief from biting insects. The water acts as a natural coolant, preventing them from overheating, and also creates a barrier against insects that can be both annoying and harmful. When not taking a dip, water buffalo can often be seen wallowing in mud. This behavior is not just for fun, it plays a critical role in their survival. The mud acts as a sunscreen, protecting their skin from the harsh rays of the sun, and also helps to keep parasites at bay. This behavior, while seemingly messy, is actually a clever way to coat themselves in a protective layer of mud that helps deter insects. The mud dries and forms a crust that can be very effective in preventing insect bites and stings, which can cause infections and other health issues. Water buffalo are social animals and live in herds. These herds provide safety in numbers, making it easier to fend off predators. The social structure of the herd is complex and fascinating, with each member playing a specific role. These herds are typically made up of 5 to 8 adult females and their calves, sometimes accompanied by a dominant male. The females are responsible for nurturing the young and teaching them essential survival skills, while the dominant male protects the group and ensures the safety of the herd. Young males often form bachelor herds, while older males may live solitary lives. These bachelor herds are like training grounds where young males learn to compete and establish their dominance. As they grow older, some males may choose a solitary life, wandering alone and occasionally joining a herd during the mating season. Section 6. Grazers of the Green, the water buffalo diet. As herbivores, water buffalo have a simple diet consisting mainly of grasses. They are also known to eat fruits, shrubs, bark, and other foliage when available. Wild water buffalo typically feed at dawn and dusk, while feral buffalo may graze more sporadically throughout the day. Their wetland habitats provide them with a rich source of nutritious aquatic plants. However, they seem to prefer the taste of terrestrial grasses and will often venture out of the water to graze. Section 7. Dangers in the wild: predators and other threats. Despite their size and strength, water buffalo are not without their enemies. Tigers and leopards, though not their primary food source, will occasionally prey on young or weak individuals. Crocodiles also pose a threat, particularly to calves, as they lurk beneath the water's surface waiting for an opportunity to ambush their prey. However, the greatest threat to water buffalo comes from humans. Habitat loss due to agriculture and development is shrinking their natural range. Hunting, although illegal in many areas, still occurs, further impacting their numbers. Section 8. From calf to matriarch: reproduction and lifespan. Water buffalo have a gestation period of 10 to 11 months, after which a single calf is typically born. This lengthy gestation period ensures that the calf is well developed and ready to face the challenges of its environment. The birth process is a critical time for both the mother and the calf, requiring a safe and secure environment to ensure the newborn's survival. These calves are relatively helpless at birth, and rely heavily on their mothers for protection and nourishment. The bond between a mother and her calf is incredibly strong, with the mother providing constant care and attention. The calf will suckle for several months, gradually transitioning to solid food as it grows. During this time, the mother teaches the calf essential survival skills, such as recognizing predators and finding food and water sources. Male calves will stay with their maternal herd for around 3 years before venturing off on their own. This period allows them to grow and develop under the protection of the herd, learning social behaviors and establishing their place within the group. As they mature, young males will begin to explore their surroundings more independently, eventually leaving the herd to join bachelor groups or establish their own territories. Female calves, on the other hand, typically remain with their mothers for life, eventually giving birth to their own calves and contributing to the growth of the herd. This matriarchal structure ensures the stability and continuity of the herd, with older females passing down knowledge and experience to the younger generations. The presence of multiple generations within a herd creates a strong social network, providing support and protection for all members. Wild water buffalo have a lifespan of around 25 years. Their longevity is influenced by various factors, including predation, disease, and availability of food and water. In the wild, water buffalo must constantly navigate these challenges to survive, relying on their strength, intelligence, and social bonds to thrive in their natural habitat. Domesticated buffalo, with access to veterinary care and a more predictable food supply, can live even longer, sometimes reaching up to 40 years of age. The controlled environment of domestication reduces the risks associated with predation and food scarcity, allowing these animals to lead longer, healthier lives. Regular health checkups and medical interventions play a crucial role in extending their lifespan, ensuring that domesticated water buffalo can continue to contribute to agricultural activities and local economies for many years. Section 9. A future uncertain conservation and hope. The wild water buffalo is classified as endangered, with a global population estimated to be less than 2,500 adults. This decline is largely attributed to habitat loss, hunting, and interbreeding with domesticated buffalo. Fortunately, there are ongoing conservation efforts aimed at protecting these magnificent creatures. By establishing protected areas, promoting responsible land management practices, and raising awareness about the importance of water buffalo conservation, we can help ensure that these gentle giants continue to grace our planet for generations to come.